Welcome to this 5-minute guided meditation for beginners. My goal is to walk you through some simple steps to make meditation simple, easy, and enjoyable. Your main objective here is to just give yourself some time to relax and clear your mind and get centered. You don't have to reach nirvana to benefit from meditation. So just do away with any preconceived notions you have and just set a goal of making some quiet time for you. So before we start, it's helpful to get into a comfortable position. Roll your shoulders, stretch out your arms, and just get centered and comfortable. Now close your eyes and take a couple of slow, deep breaths in and out. Do that again, another breath slowly in, fill your lungs, and slowly and completely empty the lungs with a slow breath out. Excellent. You're doing great. See how easy this is? Now just sit and do your best to clear your mind. For many people, this is often a challenge, especially when you start a meditation practice. When those thoughts come up, and they will, don't fight them, don't resist them, acknowledge them, but treat them as if you're observing thought clouds that are just drifting across the sky. And just sit. There's nothing to do. This is time you have set aside for yourself to simply relax, get centered, and get quiet. So I'm going to give you a little time now and just do your best to sit and simply be. So let me ask you, where is your attention now? Did a thought or two pop up? There's a really good chance it did, and if so, that's okay. Acknowledge it, just let it drift off. Bring your attention back to the present moment, to your breath, to the sounds in the background music. Just relax and be here now. Well done. Congratulations on taking this early step to being more mindful and treating yourself to this gift of meditation. Ideally, you want to make this a daily practice, so please return to this recording as long as it serves you. Thanks for listening. This is Bob Baker, and so long for now.